the Beaver at Nootka Sound Resort. This is, I think this way. This is one of the coolest resorts. This is in Nootka Sound, way deep in Nootka Sound. It's beautiful. These are cabins for rent also. These were some of the original cabins. Now we have some beautiful yurts here, which I'm going to take and show you. This is a campsite right on the salt water. And that's their new marina. And these are all their yurts that they rent out. These are 160 grand a piece to build. Sweet, huh? Now I'm going to take you over to the lodge. I'm whispering because I like to keep it quiet. People are vacationing here.